go. Snowing. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Put my tape. Boom, boom.
I put Sean on the other side because of that strut that's broke.
Oh.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you.
Here's the snow!
Snow. Woohoo! And that is fun. It's really, really sweet. Go this way?
I think it's broke on that side, so.
Now.
Come on, we can go. Right after 8. Everybody's leaving. Sorry, Sophie, I didn't mean to rush. Let's go. I'm the one driving.
Yeah.
Jeez. No Coco this morning.